If you're having trouble with your payment not going through on Boost Mobile, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. This includes checking your credit or debit card details, expiration date, and available balance. Step 2. Verify account information. Log into your Boost Mobile account and confirm that all your account information is correct. This includes your phone number, billing address, and any other personal details. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you are making the payment online, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve any issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the payment still does not go through, try using a different payment method. This could involve using another credit card, debit card, or even a prepaid card. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues with Boost Mobile effectively. If problems persist, customer support is your best resource for further assistance.